Every Polaris Engineered part has a story to tell. A tale of countless hours in concepting, design, and prototyping. Born through the collaboration of hundreds of engineers that call Polaris home. We are riders, laser-focused on delivering an unmatched riding experience. Carefully analyzed through rigorous validation. Put on trial for thousands of miles in the harshest conditions. From the unforgiving terrain of West Virginia, the sub-zero temps of Roseau, Minnesota, to the rugged heat of Texas, home to the Polaris Proving Grounds. Meticulously crafted all over the United States and the globe for you and our trusted authorized dealers. It's a story of precision in motion. Designed, tested, trusted. That's the Polaris Engineered advantage.